Welcome to Helsingborg, the pearl of the Öresund and home of Philip Nederman & Co. This is the view that inspired Philip Nederman to settle and found his company here. The year was 1944. The war in Europe was picking up, preparing for the Allied invasion. Denmark, on the other side of the Sound, was occupied, and Philip Nederman, as all other able-bodied Swedish young men, had been called up to serve his country. He was an iron plater from up north, stationed on a balcony in Helsingborg to observe marine movements on the Öresund. In his spare time, Philip Nederman practiced his plating know-how in different sheet metal shops in Helsingborg. He very soon developed good local business contacts and decided to start his own sheet metal shop in Helsingborg. Business was good. Besides rain gutters and drain pipes, ventilation was the topic of the day, and Nederman established a good professional name in the entire region. At the end of the war, Philip Nederman bought an overland Jeep and 2 US surplus Harley-Davidson motorcycle combinations to facilitate transports of ventilation materials to customers all the way across to the Swedish east coast. Philip himself and his brother carried out these missions. Already at this early stage, Philip Nederman became involved in 2 projects which would lead the company into what it is today. When he saw a US-made hose reel installed in an auto shop, he soon realized its potential and decided that he could produce a better one, which he did. This was the birth of the famous Nederman hose and cable reels. He also very soon became aware of the poor environmental working conditions which industrial workers had to cope with. Specializing in ventilation, he also very soon found solutions to some of the main problems: smoke, fumes, and exhaust.
Today, the Nederman business concept is basically the same as when the company started 60 years ago. Nederman's products and systems add value for customers by creating a clean and safe working environment, optimal uptime in production, improved quality of finished products, improved energy utilization. Nederman focuses on the core segments metal fabrication, automotive industries, composite and food industries. Within the metal fabrication segment, Nederman is the leader with solutions that minimize the operator's exposure to welding fumes. Our filters eliminate the problems with oil mist generated when coolant fluids are used during machining. And Nederman high vacuum system keeps machines and premises clean. The Nederman solutions for vehicle repair include exhaust extraction systems for stationary and moving vehicles, on-torch extraction systems for grinding and sanding, media supply systems for oil, air, water, gas and electric power, and high vacuum cleaning systems. Very strict demands are today placed on clean, healthy environments in emergency stations where personnel work, live and sleep. Diesel exhaust gases are a huge health risk. Nederman has developed a complete range of exhaust extraction systems that make the missions environmentally safer. The composite manufacturing industry is growing worldwide, but a big problem is that working with composite generates particles small enough to enter human lungs, while fiberglass can penetrate the skin and cause irritation. Nederman is a leading supplier of systems to this sector, with experience from projects all over the world. We have the know-how, competence and resources to offer solutions that safeguard health, production and end product quality. Dust explosions can occur when handling dry materials such as flour, sugar and other food and pharmaceutical ingredients. Therefore, equipment and components in these explosive environments must be approved. Nederman has developed a range of products and solutions designed to comply with the demands. Our experts are fully acquainted with national and international requirements to ensure operational safety. Nederman provides complete detailed plans, drawings and cost calculations. Our total solutions include products and systems, as well as installation, preventative maintenance and service, all backed up by our application expertise in order to offer our customers clean, safe and efficient workplaces. Nederman's world-leading position in environmental technology is the result of consistent investment in product development. Design, function and modularization are central concepts. Our modular platform concept reduces the complexity and cost of production. With some basic models and templates, different products and systems can be created with specific functions and performance. Component manufacturing is outsourced to specific producers, while Nederman makes the assembly of products and systems. The main assembly unit is in Helsingborg. Other assembly units are located in Mississauga, Canada, Sandefjord, Norway and Shanghai. Effective logistics are one of Nederman's success factors. Deliveries are made directly to customers from our warehouses in Sweden, Canada, Australia and now also in Shanghai. Nederman is one of the largest players on the market. We have a sales organization covering 24 countries and agents and distributors in another 30. Western Europe is traditionally Nederman's largest and most important market, but it is on new markets that we're growing fastest. Industrial development in Asia is growing rapidly. Our new assembly and logistics unit, opened in Shanghai at the beginning of 2008, will meet the increasing demand on these markets. In most companies, Nederman systems are critical for the entire production process. Operational stops entail health risks and affect product quality. Production downtime is expensive. To safeguard uptime and health, Nederman provides comprehensive preventative maintenance and aftermarket services. The market is expanding rapidly. Our service business has grown from 3% of net sales in 2000 to 18% in 2007. A significant event during the last year was Nederman's listing on the OMX Nordic Exchange's small cap list. So what does the future for Nederman look like? Nederman is active on an expanding market driven by heightened environmental awareness, energy use and productivity. Interest in sound, safe working environments is a strong driving force. More and more countries are introducing stricter regulations concerning environments. Nederman is a global player, well equipped to grow on this ever-expanding market. And we will continue to do so.